Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to cut sections. So if you want to create cut section, you can click at these icons, section plans. Like example, I will click at these walls. It will be automatically cut the section and will be show for the name section plan dialog box. So in there I will click OK. You also can use move tools to move the cut section like this. Okay, I will create again another cut section. You can click these icons and I will set in this blue axis. Click OK to create the new name section. And then you can move tools to move the section to the top here. So you can see we have this cut section from the top. And if you want to active the first section, you can select, right click, and then choose active cut. So to be use the active cut section into here or into another area. So I will set again into another section and you can right click, choose the active cut section. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial how to cut section. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.